I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the treasure of the sword of truth and light. I am with you always and tonight. Michael, Michael, burning bright. Now then, there's a great deal of energy around your planet, and the planets in your solar system speak to you. They tell you of vibrations. Neptune is moving around in this next month, the third month, the first part of this year. The first 3 months of this year where the spring equinox is lodged, the time of moving out of winter into spring, the time of moving away from the frozen times and the void into the bursting of new energy. Now then, some of you are so confused and out of the rhythm vibration of the earth that you have been pushing and bursting forward and being spring all during the winter season. You need to think. You have a number of days more, almost 30 days more, to be exact, before the spring is upon you. Go back into the void. Go back into the depths. Take the light of compassion, the light of Kuan Yin, as a lantern, and turn around and go into the caves. Go in and be with your kidneys. Go in and be with your fears. Give yourself some time. This spring will be a tremendously bursting spring. A tremendous bursts of energy will come through the planet. You may see volcanoes and waves and sinkholes. You may see geysers and bursts. You may see violence even bursting. This will happen on the planet, for the energy and the power of spring is very powerful. It bursts through. It's intense. And so, by going back and facing the fears now, by living in the winter vibration during the winter, regardless of what you're seeing around you or outside of you, of knowing that there's still something you have to go back and face, and facing that, the more of you that do that, the easier the spring vibration will be, and what will explode out of the earth will be flowers, will be joy. I am Michael, burning bright. Find the rhythm with the earth tonight. Find the rhythm within your own being. The natural beauty of the earth, the natural energies of the earth, the natural materials of the earth, they're important for you to be with. Move away from those things that you have formed into solid form, and be rather with fluidity. Be rather with fluidity. Go back to the womb. Go back to the void. Float in the fluid that you first floated in before you came into the matter and oxygen of the earth. I am Michael, burning bright. I give you secrets tonight. Those secrets activate within your own soul. The dream times become extremely crowded. The dream times, imagine them as channels of energy. And the channels are increasing, and so there is more energy around you. Those of you who are lucid dreamers are feeling bits and pieces of mega dreams all around you. Some of these dreams are clearing out channels, opening new channels to the earth to inspire, to opening new channels in the earth that will help beings imagine. Imagine a world of joy. Imagine healing and health. Imagine equality and unity for all. Imagine a consciously co-created world of love and joy. As these channels begin to open, the dream time is rather intense through the month of March. There will be a great deal of activity in your dream time. Pay attention to some of them. Don't be frightened if they are adversarial dreams, for they are helping you open channels within yourself. Facing fears at this time is extremely powerful for you. And the great vibrations of the brothers and sisters of the animal kingdom and world are with you as well. The totems of the ancestors, the grandfathers and the grandmothers are with you. And the animal totems run through. The coyote runs through, howling at the moon. The coyote runs through, shifting and rolling and plunging and bringing the great trickster energy to the earth. He has a purpose. You have a purpose. Laugh at the antics in your life. If things do not go the way you wish them to go, simply be okay. Simply be with it, watch it, and find the sense of humor. Find the flow within yourself. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light.